So, very good evening, all of you. Hope I am audible to you all. तो वेलकम बैक टू द लीड गेट महा रिवीजन। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको बता दूं कि आज भी हम लोग एक टॉपिक रिवाइज करेंगे एप्टीट्यूड का। बट बिफोर गोइंग फॉर दैट रिवीजन ऑफ द टॉपिक, let me tell you that we four faculties will be handling your complete maha revision. That is, the technical part will be taken care by Meenu Gupta ma'am and Marut Tiwari sir, and the non-technical part will be handled by Rohit Sinha sir and me, Amulya Ratan. तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि रोहित सिन्हा सर मैथ्स देखेंगे और मैं जो है आपका एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन देखूंगा। तो हम लोग कंप्लीट महा रिवीजन जो है ये हमारा मैकेनिकल गेट 2021 के लिए। ओके, तो इसका आपको ऑलरेडी पता है कि इट हैज़ बीन स्टार्टेड ऑन 12 अक्टूबर। तो ये 31 जनवरी तक हमारा महा रिवीजन कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड, बिफोर गोइंग फर्दर फॉर द टॉपिक एंड द रिवीजन, लेट मी टेल यू कि अब आपके पास बहुत कम टाइम बचा है कि आप जो है सब्सक्रिप्शन लें अनअकैडमी पे, क्योंकि माय डियर फ्रेंड वेरी सून इन द सेंस इस महीने की 20 तारीख से इनकी सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस में हाइक होने वाला है, इंक्रीज होने वाला है। तो अगर आप प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है अनअकैडमी का, गेट ईएससी का, तो जितना जल्दी से जल्दी हो आप सब्सक्रिप्शन लीजिए। वेरी गुड इवनिंग चंदू। So yes, subscription, if you are taking the subscription on Unacademy plus subscription, normally 12 months का course, if you are going for 12 months course, the fees will be 25,000. But if you are using this code, that is AR10, the fees for 12 months subscription, it will be only 22,500. Similarly, if you are opting for 24 month subscription, the fees is actually 30,000. But if you are using this code, if you apply this code, that is AR10, you will get 24 months subscription exactly or only in 27,000. So my dear friends, तो subscription ले लीजिए जल्दी से जल्दी। तो moving further to the topic, so today's topic is actually mixtures and alligation. So no doubt my dear friend, it is also a part of ratio proportion, but let me tell you, in ratio proportion, the exams like GATE, they will never ask you the product of the means is equal to product of the extremes. So there is the question what they maximum concentrate on, maximum on mixtures alligation. I am not saying all the questions will be from mixtures alligation, but maximum whenever they are asking you the ratio question, they concentrate on mixtures alligation part. So my dear friend, will understand what is this mixtures alligation topic and what type of question will be there. Before that, I can give you one puzzle. Okay, just understand this. So there is a puzzle on your screen. बहुत ही सिंपल सा पजल है। अ फंक्शन हॉल वॉज फिल्ड विथ 100 गेस्ट इंक्लूडिंग मेन, वीमेन एंड किड्स। एक फंक्शन हॉल में टोटल 100 गेस्ट है, ओके, इंक्लूडिंग मेन, वीमेन एंड किड्स। 100 biscuits are to be distributed among these guests such that each man gets 4 biscuits, each woman gets 3 biscuits and each kid gets half biscuit. Very good evening, Naveen. Each kid gets half biscuit. So you have to find that how many men, how many women and how many kids are there in the function hall, so that 100 biscuits can be distributed to the 100 guests. Are you getting the question? Is it clear? 100 गेस्ट हैं पार्टी में, ओके, टोटल 100 गेस्ट हैं, आदमी औरत बच्चे सबको मिला के 100 गेस्ट हैं, ओके। आपके पास 100 बिस्किट है, ये 100 बिस्किट आपको 100 गेस्ट को देना है। प्रॉब्लम इज एवरी मैन को आपको 4-4 बिस्किट देना है, एवरी वीमेन को 3-3 बिस्किट देना है और हर बच्चे को, एवरी किड को हाफ बिस्किट देनी। तो आपको पता करना है उस पार्टी में कितने मेन, कितने वीमेन, कितने किड्स होंगे, सो दैट दिस 100 बिस्किट विल बी गिवन टू द 100 गेस्ट. So you have to find number of men, number of women, number of kids in the party. So how many will be there? Naveen, you want in Telugu? Function hall lo 100 mandi unnaru, guest 100 mandi unnaru. So మీ దగ్గర 100 బిస్కెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఈ 100 బిస్కెట్ 100 మందికి ఇవ్వాలి. ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఎవ్రీ మ్యాన్కి మీరు 4 బిస్కెట్ ఇవ్వాలి, 4 బిస్కెట్. ఎవ్రీ ఉమెన్కి 3 అంటే 3 బిస్కెట్ ఇవ్వాలి. కిడ్కి ఏమో సగం అంటే హాఫ్ బిస్కెట్ ఇవ్వాలి. సో మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఆ పార్టీలో ఎంతమంది మెన్ ఉన్నారు, ఎంతమంది విమెన్ ఉన్నారు, ఎంతమంది కిడ్స్ ఉన్నారు. క్లియర్? నవీన్, number of men, number of women, number of kids in the party. So anyhow, my dear friend, maximum what we do in such type of question, we go for trial and error method. We go for trying with a number and again get error, again we try with new number, again we get error. But my dear friend, never ever go with trial and error method, because if you are lucky in the first round itself you will get the answer. But if your luck is not in your favor, you'll try with one number, again error will come. So maybe after 2 days you will get the answer. So my dear friend, never ever follow that method which don't have any time limitation. Always go according to the question. Always go according to the question. जैसा क्वेश्चन दिया है वैसे ही सॉल्व कीजिए according to the question. So my dear friend, according to the question, let us understand what they have given here. Men plus women plus kids. Total how many guests are there? 100 guests are there. Every man we have to give 4 biscuit, means 4 men. Every woman we have to give 3 biscuit, means 3 women. And every kid we have to give half a biscuit, so half kid. This should be also equal to 100 biscuit. This is what they have given, both should be equal to 100. Now they are asking you number of men, number of women, number of kids in the party, in the that function. So my dear friend, they are asking you the value of 3 variables. They have given you only 2 equations. In order to find the value of 3 variables, we require at least 3 equations. But my dear friend, that is maths. We are using aptitude. So let's see what we can derive with these 2 equations. What we can derive. Let us cancel any one variable. Let us cancel any one variable. Like for example, first let us try to cancel this kid. Let us cancel it. Okay, kid the variable will cancel, k will cancel. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 2 in this equation. Second equation we can multiply 2. So what will happen if you multiply 2 in the second equation? How much it will become? If I am not wrong, 8 men plus 3 twos are 6 women plus kid is equal to 200 it will become. And from this let us subtract this first equation. From this let us subtract the first equation, that is men plus women plus kid is equal to 100. If you subtract it, what will happen? The kids will get cancelled. If I am not wrong, the kids will get cancelled. So this variable is cancelled. Now 8 men minus men, how much you will get? 7 men plus 6 women minus 1 woman, that is 5 women, is equal to 200 minus 100, that is 100. So just observe what we have derived. 7 men plus 5 women is equal to 100. 7 men plus 5 women is equal to 100. This is what we have derived. Now my dear friend, just observe this equation what we have derived. See, here we are having 5 into something. Here this number is, here whatever number will get, it will be a multiple of 5. 5 into something means here whatever number will get, it will be a multiple of 5. In the multiple of 5, what is the unit digit? What is the last digit? 5 के मल्टीपल में यूनिट डिजिट क्या होता है? लास्ट डिजिट क्या होता है? नवीन, 5 मल्टीपल लो, यूनिट डिजिट 80. What exactly is the unit digit? Last digit, ones place digit. So if I am not wrong, in 5 multiple, the unit digit will be either 0 or else 5. Am I right? No other digits will come in the unit place. So just observe here. See, if for this last digit is 0, for this also last digit should be 0, then only 0 plus 0, the last digit 0 will be generated here. For this, if last digit is 5, then for this also last digit should be 5, then only 5 plus 5, the last digit 0 will be generated here. Means what we have to do, we have to find in 7 such multiples. In 7 such multiples where last digit should be either 5 or else 0. 7 में आपको ऐसे मल्टीपल्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं, 7 इंटू समथिंग, सो दैट लास्ट डिजिट जो है वो आपका या तो 5 हो या नहीं तो 0 हो. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड, इन 7 मल्टीपल्स वेयर वी कैन गेट 5. Yes, exactly Kaushik, it should be 5 or else 0. So here in 7 multiples when we can get 5. First we'll see 5. In 7 multiples, 7 how much is equal to 5? 7 into how much is equal to unit digit as 5. So if I am not wrong, 7 into 5, that is 35. 7 5s are 35. The unit digit is 5. Am I right? So 7 5s are 35 means what we are considering men value as? Men value we are considering as 5. Then only we are saying 7 5s are 35. Now my dear friend, in 35, how much we can add so that it will become 100? In 35, how much we'll add so that it will become 100? So obviously we have to add 65. So 5 into how much is 65? 5 into how much is 65? So 5 into 13 means women value will be 13. So my dear friend, total 100 guests were there, out of which men 5 and women 13 we made. So remaining will be the kids. So how much is still remaining out of 100? So out of 100 we have done with men plus women, total 13 plus 5, it is 18. So out of 100, 18 is done. So remaining are the kids. So 18 is done means remaining 82 are the kids. So total guest it became 100. Am I right? Now let us see this is number of guests. Let's see the biscuit side. See, every man we are giving 4 biscuit. So 5 4s are 20 biscuit completed. Every women we are giving 3 biscuits. So 13 3s are 39 biscuit covered. Okay, and every kid we are giving half a biscuit. So 82 into half, 41 biscuit finished. So total how many biscuit? If I am not wrong, this is 100 biscuits. So 100 biscuit given to 100 members. Clear? Is it clear? This was the case that we tried to make last date 5. But let me tell you, last date we can make 0 also. So in 7, what we can multiply so that last date will come 0? Come on, tell me this. In 7, what we can multiply so that last date becomes 0? So 7 into 10. Am I right? So men value we are considering as 10. 7 into 10. Then we'll get last date 0, that is 70. So if this number is 70, 70 plus how much is equal to 100? So 70 plus 30 is equal to 100. So 5 into how much is 30? So 5 into how much is 30? 5 6 are 30 means women value we are considering as 6. Okay, so total 16 completed. Out of 100 guess 16 completed, including men women. So remaining will be the kids. So remaining 84 kids. So this you made 100. So number of people got total 100. Now let's see in the biscuit side. Every man 4 biscuits. So 10 4s are, if I am not wrong, 40 biscuit covered. Okay, this is number of biscuit we are checking whether we are getting total 100 biscuit or not. Every women 3 biscuits. So 6 3s are 18 biscuit completed. And every kid half a biscuit. So 84 into half, if I am not wrong, 42 biscuit. So this is also 100 and this is also 100. Clear? Yes. Now we can make again last date 5 here. We can make again last date 5 here. 7 into what we will multiply so that again last date will come 5. So 7 into 15. But my dear friends, 7 into 15. 7 into 15 how much it is? 105. If this is 105 then this should be negative, which is not possible. So only 2 possible answers are there. Either in that party there are 5 men, 13 women and 82 kids, or in that party there are, in that function hall there are 10 men, 6 women, 84 kids. These are the only 2 possible answers. Is it clear? So with this question I would like to just convey you the message: never ever go for trial and error method directly. Always go according to the question. First go according to the question. How they have given you the question, proceed according to that. Is it clear to all? So whatever I try to convey in this question, the message, whether you have understood that message or not, okay, for that I am giving you one more question. Shall I? Shall I give one more? You can try. So one more question on your screen is this. See, actually, my son, before Deepavali festival, he asked me that he want to purchase the crackers. Crackers, what do you call? Yes, Chandu. Crackers in Hindi we call it as patake. Chandu in Telugu we call it as tapaslu. Am I right? Chandu and Naveen. Okay, so he wanted to purchase crackers. I explained him that see, crackers whole country is celebrating no cracker day, it creates sound pollution, air pollution and all this. After explaining it creates global warming even. After explaining everything, he asked me whether you are giving me money or not. My son, he asked me whether you are giving me money or not, because that small kid will not understand this global warming and all. So what I said that, okay, I'll give you 280 rupees. I said him that I'll give him 280 rupees. Okay. As I said that I'll give 280 rupees to him, he immediately said me that he wanted to purchase total 280 crackers. In 280 rupees, he has to purchase 280 crackers. Number of crackers he want to purchase total 280. And he said that he only want to purchase 3 different varieties of crackers. A, B, C. Only 3 different varieties. The first variety, A cracker, it is 40 rupees each. One cracker cost is 40 rupees. The second variety cracker B, it is 1 rupee each. One cracker 1 rupee. And the third variety cracker, it is 20 paise each. 20 paise each means in 1 rupee 5 crackers will come. Okay. Now you have to help my son to find out how many A cracker he should purchase, how many B cracker he should purchase, how many C cracker he should purchase, so that in 280 rupees he can get 280 crackers. So you have to find here number of A cracker, number of B cracker, number of C cracker. I think question is clear to you. Total number of crackers should also come 280, and total money spent should also come 280. In 280 rupees, 280 crackers. Don't say that he will purchase only B. If he take 280 the B product, 280 rupees will be spent and 280 crackers he will get. Not only B, he has to take the combination of A, B and C. He has to take the combination of A, B and C. Okay. So no doubt, my dear friend, I know that you have tried according to the question, but where you have stopped, that also I can understand where you have stopped. So here let us understand, here A plus B plus C. Total number of cracker he should get, that should be 280. Okay. Now A cost is 40 rupees, so 40A, plus B cost is 1 rupee, so 1B, plus C cost is 20 paise means 0.2C. Okay, this should be also equal to 280 rupees. Am I right? Now my dear friend, whether you equate or you subtract, B will get cancelled. B will be cancelled. Now try to understand why B is getting cancelled. Why B is getting cancelled? Because B is according to the condition given in the question. B क्यों कैंसिल हो रहा है? क्योंकि B जो है क्वेश्चन के कंडीशन के अनुसार है. What was the condition of the question? Number of products and total money spent, both should be same. Number of products should be 280 and total money spent should be also 280. Both should be same. So in B case always it will be same. If you take one product 1 rupee, if you take 5 product 5 rupee, if you take 100 product 100 rupee, if you take 200 product 280 rupees. So that is the reason B is getting cancelled, because it is according to the condition of the question. Main adjustment you have to do with A and C. Are you getting me? Main adjustment you have to do with A and C. Okay. So let us equate both of them. Let us sort it out. Let us equate both of them. What will get? If we equate both of them, it will be A plus B plus C is equal to 40A plus B plus 0.2C, if I am not wrong. Okay. In this what will happen? B and B get cancelled. Now 40A minus this A, how much it will become? 40A minus this A, this will be 39A. Okay. And C minus 0.2C, it will become 0.8C. Okay. Up till here you have done, I know very well. After this you stopped. Let me tell you, after this it's very simple. What will be A by C value? What is A by C value? It will be definitely 0.8 by 39. Okay. If you remove this decimal, it will become 8 by 390. 8 by 390 if you cancel, it will become 4 by 195. Means A and C you have to take in the ratio of 4:195. That's it. A and C you have to take in the ratio of 4:195. A and C. Okay, A you have to take 4 and C you have to take 195. Okay, this is the number of product. Now A, if you take 4, each A total cost how much it will be spent, let's see. A, if you are taking 4, each A is 40 rupees, so 4 into 40, total how much money will be spent? 160 rupees spent. And C, total you are taking 195 and C cost is 20 paise each, means in 1 rupee you will get 5. So divide this by 5 means you will get 39 rupees. Now just check out with the total. 4 plus 195, how much you are getting? 4 plus 195, 199. And in the case of total money spent, here you see 160 plus 39, how much you are getting? 199. So this is equated. You don't have any problem with B. Still how much money is left over with you? 81 rupees. So in 81 rupees, 81 product, because this is 1 rupee. So this is total 280 and this is also total 280. In 280 rupees, 280 products came. Is it clear? Always go according to the question. Never ever use trial and error method. Clear? Any queries, any doubt, anyone? So, my dear friend, with this is all equation method. With this equation method, there came out one more method which we call it as alligation rule. Now let us understand the same question in mixtures and alligation. Same question will understand in mixtures, alligation. See, A, it was 40 rupees each, B, it was 1 rupee each, and C, it was, thank you Manikanta, C, it was 20 paise each. Okay, so now let us understand the same question in alligation rule. Now what is this mixtures alligation? We'll understand. Here three products we are having, A, B and C. Which product we don't have any problem? किस product के साथ हमें problem नहीं है? Can you tell me which product we don't have the problem? B we don't have the problem. Okay, main adjustment we have to do with A and C. We have to do the adjustment with A and C. What is the cost of A given? That is 40 rupees. And what is the cost of C given? That is 0.2. 0.2 means you can say 1 by 5 of the rupee. Am I right? Now, why we are having the problem with these two products? Because they said that in 280 rupees, we want total 280 products. Means as much money we'll spend, that many products also. Yes, exactly, Chandu. As much money we spend, that many product also we require. Okay, so it is only possible in 280 rupees we'll get 280 products. It is only possible when the product cost is of 1 rupee. So these two products we have to convert in the value of 1 rupee. Once again, let me tell you, this 1 rupee is not the B value. We are not considering B. B already it is in 1 rupee. B is already according to the condition given in the question. This also we are bringing to the same condition. That is the reason A and C also we are converting in 1 rupee. So that total number of product and total money spent both become same. So the values what they are having right on the top, value what you want to convert in right in the middle, difference both sides, difference will be its ratio. Difference will be its ratio. Like 40 minus 1, how much it will become? 39. And 1 minus 1 by 5, how much it will become? 4 by 5. Means this is A part and this is C part. Means A is to C, we have to mix in the ratio of A is to C, we have to mix in the ratio of 4 by 5 is to 39. Where further if you take LCM 5, it will be 4 is to 195, 5 get cancelled. Means A and C we have to mix in the ratio of 4 is to 195. Is it clear? Are you getting me? I am not saying that equation was wrong. Equation is also correct. But from the equation method, there came out one more method which we call it as alligation rule. Once again, let me explain you this mixtures alligation. Whatever value they are having right on the top, in which value you want to convert right in the middle, difference both sides, difference will be its ratio. Whatever value they have given you of the product, one will be the higher value. The higher value we call it as dearer value. Here dearer value is 40 rupees. Are you getting me? Another will be the lower value which we call it as cheaper value. Here cheaper value is 1 by 5 of the rupee. And the value in which you are trying to convert, that is called as mean value. वैल्यू जिसमें आप कन्वर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मीन वैल्यू. ओके, मीन वैल्यू विल बी ऑलवेज लेस देन डियरर बट मोर देन चीपर. मीन वैल्यू is always less than dearer but more than cheaper. Are you getting me? Is it clear? Because one side I have written C. Observe carefully, dearer minus mean one side, another side mean minus cheaper other side. Mean value is always less than dearer but more than cheaper. I mean to say you are having two varieties of rice. Mean value कभी भी dearer से छोटा होगा लेकिन cheaper से बड़ा होगा. Mean value ఎప్పుడైనా dearer కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది but cheaper కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. Okay, I mean to say, consider you are having two varieties of rice. Okay, two varieties, first variety, second variety. Okay, first variety rice is 40 rupees per kg and second variety rice is 80 rupees per kg. Okay, these two varieties of rice you are having. Now both the rice you are mixing, it in whatever ratio you mix, one part this, 5 part this, 11 part this, 3 part this, 2 part this, 9 part second one, whatever ratio you mix, the mixture cost won't be more than 80 or less than 40. Mixture cost, whatever mixture will be made, it won't be more than 80 or less than 40. It won't be more than dearer or less than cheaper. Mixture cost will be always in the range of 40 and 80. Means it will be more than 40, means more than cheaper but less than dearer, less than 80. Are you getting me? That is what I am saying. Mean value will be always less than dearer but more than cheaper. Is it clear? Shall I give the question so that it will be more clear to you? So let's see one question. Try from your end. So here is the question on your screen. See, this I have explained that A plus B plus C is equal to 280 with the equation. Okay, some people, if you want to take screenshot because you require PDF and all, so if you want to take screenshot of it, you can. Clear? Now the same thing with alligation rule. Instead of equation method, with alligation rule, I explained here. See, one side I have written A value, that is 40, another side C value, that is 1 by 5 of the rupee, mean value in the middle 1, difference both side, difference will be its ratio. This is A part and this is C part. So A is to C, we have to mix in the ratio of 4 by 5 is to 39. It's not B, it is actually C. This is A is to C. A is to C is mixed in the ratio of 4 by 5 is to 39. Okay, or again this is B, not B, this is C. A is to C, that is 4 is to 195. Clear? Yes. So my dear friend, let us understand so that we can do the question based on this. So try this question. A trader purchases two varieties of rice A and B at the rate of 48 rupees per kg and 60 rupees per kg respectively. Respectively means he give respect and purchases. Don't think like that. Respectively means A cost is 48 rupees per kg and B cost is 60 rupees per kg. Okay? Are you getting me? In what ratio he should mix the two varieties so that the mixture cost becomes rupees 52 per kg? Try the answer. What ratio? So that the mixture cost becomes rupees 52 per kg. So whatever answer you are getting, you can send me on the chat. Okay. So anyhow, let us understand here A and B are two varieties. Okay. A. So Kaushik says 2:1, Manikanta says 2:1. Very good. Let's see. A and B, two varieties. What is the cost of A variety given? 48 rupees per kg. What is the cost of B variety given? 60 rupees per kg. Okay. Now the mean value, in what rate we have to convert? That is 52 rupees per kg. So 52 is the mean value. So Chandu says 7:3. Very good. So 52 becomes the mean value. Okay, because we have to convert that in 52 rupees per kg, so 52 comes in the middle. Now difference both side, difference will be its ratio. So 60 minus 52, how much you'll get? 8. And 52 minus 48, 52 minus 48 you will get 4. So this is A part and this is B part. So A is to B, A is to B, it should be mixed in the ratio of 8 is to 4. Yes, Shanti, Raju, yes, you are correct. 8 is to 4, which you can further cancel and say 2 is to 1 ratio. It means A and B should be mixed in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Very good, Kaushik, very good, Manikanta, very good, Raju. I think Chandu, you have missed somewhere. Clear, Chandu? Is it clear to you? So A is to B should be mixed in the ratio of 2 is to 1. You can check it out. A और B हमें 2 is to 1 के रेशियो में मिलाना है. आप चेक कर सकते हैं. A is 48 rupees per kg. A is actually 48 rupees per kg. Take 2 kg. Take 2 kg. What will be the cost for 2 kg? 48 rupees per kg. 2 kg cost. If I am not wrong, 96 rupees for 2 kg. And B is 60 rupees per kg. We have to take this as B is 1 kg. So 1 kg cost is 60 rupees. Total how much money we spent? 156 rupees. In 156 rupees total how many kg we got? 3 kg we got. So what is each kg rate? It is 52 rupees per kg. My dear friend, no need to check this. Here I am checking and saying to you, no need to check this. Very simple. The difference both side you write, the difference will be its ratio. 60 place, take 80. Acha, you are taking 80. Chandu, it's not 80, it's 60. Don't do the mistake. So Chandu has taken 80. Okay, Chandu, very good. Sometimes you should do the mistake. Okay, but it is 60. Clear? But only sometimes, not always. Clear? But my dear friend, let me tell you this much simple question they will never give you in the GATE exam. Because they know very well that you are aware of alligation rule. They will not give you this simple question. Whatever rate is given, you have written on the top. In what rate you have to convert, you have written in the middle. Difference both sides, you got the answer. This much simple question they will never give in the GATE exam. So what type of question they can place in the GATE exam? We can see in the second question here. So see this. Okay, this explanation I have given here. Okay, the previous question explanation is given here. If you have to take the screenshot or something. Okay, one side I have written 48, another side 60. 48 rupees per kg, 60 rupees per kg. We have to convert in 52 per kg. Difference both sides. So difference we are getting 8 by 4. So this is A is 8. Don't get confused and think that A is 4. A is this 8 and B is this 4. Okay. So A is to B is in the ratio of 8 is to 4, which you can further cancel and say it is in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Okay. So my dear friend, here is the question. The type of question they can present in the GATE exam. A trader purchases 2 varieties of sugar. Be careful in GATE exam, in the rice place they can give sugar also. No, I am joking, just kidding. Okay, they can give rice, sugar, anything. P and Q or A and B, anything they can give. That is not important. A trader purchases 2 varieties of... What happened? A trader purchases 2 varieties of sugar P and Q at the rate of 42 rupees per kg and 80 rupees per kg respectively. In what ratio he should mix the 2 varieties so that he can sell the mixture at 78 rupees per kg by getting 30% profit. See, here profit and loss topic is also mixed. किस रेशियो में मिलाएगा ताकि 78 रुपए किलो बेचने पर भी उसे 30% का लाभ हो? P rate is 42 rupees per kg, Q rate is 80 rupees per kg, and he has to sell it in 78 rupees per kg by getting 30% profit. So in what ratio he has to mix these two varieties of sugar? So what ratio? Because they are using the word respectively, always remember when they are saying respectively means you have to find P is to Q. Don't say Q is to P. P is to Q. P ratio Q. How much it will come? So let us understand. See, here two varieties are there, P and Q. P and Q, two varieties are there. What is the rate of P given? What was the rate of P given? 42 rupees per kg. And what is the rate of Q given? 80 rupees per kg. Okay, these are the rate given. So Manikanta says that maybe it should be 2:9. Maybe. Why not June B? Why not July B? Manikanta, be confident in your answer. Wrong or right, always be confident in your answer. It should not be maybe, because gate carries negative marking. So anyhow, let's see. So P rate is 42 rupees per kg, Q rate is 80 rupees per kg. Now in what rate we have to convert this in? 78 rupees per kg. My dear friend, don't write like this, because top if you are writing cost price, mean value should be also cost price. Top if you are writing selling price, then mean value you can write selling price. Means these three should be the value of same entities, not the different entities. So here top you are writing cost price, means mean value also you have to write cost price. But 78 is what? 78 is actually the selling price. Are you getting me? What is 78? 78 is actually selling price. So try to understand P, Q. P rate is 42 rupees per kg and Q rate is 80 rupees per kg. Am I right? And mean value should be also cost price, because top you are mentioning cost price. So mean value bhi aapko cost price hi likhna hai. But 78 is actually the selling price. And what is the profit percent they are saying? Profit percent should be 30. So what do you understand by 30% profit? 30% profit means selling price by cost price value. How much it should become? Come on, we have completed profit and loss topic. 30% profit means what is selling price by cost price value? It should be how much? Come on, Raju, Mani, Chandu, Kaushik, anyone? Yes, we have to find CP, Kaushik. Yes. So selling price by cost price value, how much it will become? If you have attended profit and loss topic, it should become 1.3. Then only we can say it is 30% profit. More than 1, how much more than 1? 0.3 more, 30% profit. And selling price value already you placed at 78 here. You will get the cost price. That is 78 by 1.3 is the cost price. Am I right? If I am not wrong, remove the decimal. It will be 0 in the numerator. 1 more 0 into 10. So 13 ones are 13 60s are. So what is cost price? 60 rupees. So write the cost price 60 in the middle. Top you are writing cost price. So mean value also cost price. Now difference both sides. Difference will be its ratio. So 80 minus 60, if I am not wrong, it's 20. And 60 minus 42. 60 minus 42, if I am not wrong, it will be how much? 18. Am I right? So this is P part and this is Q part. So P is to Q should be mixed in the ratio of 20 is to 18, which you can further cancel and say 10 is to 9. So P and Q should be mixed in the ratio of 10 ratio 9. 10 is to 9. Manikanta, it should be 10 is to 9. Is it clear? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Come on, because level of question will go on increasing. We are understanding this alligation, mixtures alligation. See, here I am mentioning here, in the same thing in the screen I am mentioning here. See, don't write 78 in the middle, because top you are writing cost price, so mean value should be also cost price, but this 78 is selling price. So don't write like this. Okay, how you have to write? This way. So don't do this mistake. So P rate is 42 per kg, Q rate is 80 per kg. Repeat, yes Chandu, I will repeat. Very good evening Sunny, very good evening. So see, P rate was given as 42 per kg, Q rate as 80 per kg. That was the cost price. 30%, yes money, yes money. And and they said that he want to sell it at 78 rupees per kg by getting 30% profit. So 78 is the selling price. Okay, so top you are writing cost price, means mean value you have to write cost price only, and 78 is the selling price and profit is 30%. 30% profit means selling price by cost price value should come 1.3, then only you can say 30% profit. Am I right? Profit and loss we have done. So place this SP in the place of SP, place this 78. What is the cost price? Cost price you get 60. Now you can write 60 in the middle. Okay. So 60 should be the cost price. Then when he sell at 78, he will get 30% profit. So 60 is the cost price. Top cost price, mean value also cost price. Difference both side. Difference you are getting 20 and this side 18 difference. So this is P and this is Q. So P is to Q should be mixed in the ratio of 20 is to 18, which you can further cancel and say that it should be mixed in the ratio of 10 is to 9. Clear? Chandu, is it clear to you? Okay, very good, very good. So my dear friends, we'll see some questions so that we'll be more confident. See, this is Maha revision, so definitely maximum question we have to practice. So we'll see some questions so that it will be we'll be more confident and we'll understand where this allegation rule we can utilize. कहाँ कहाँ पे हम लोग allegation rule use कर सकते हैं, ये भी हमें समझ में आना चाहिए. ओके, तो हम लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन करेंगे. तो कुछ क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. सो ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन. In a class with 360 students, the average age of all the boys is 24 years, whereas average age of all the girls is 18 years. If the average age of whole class is 20 years, then find the number of girls in that class. So come on, try it. How many girls must be there in that class? Total 360 students. Average age of boys they have given, average age of girls they have given, and average of whole class means mean value also they have given. So come on. So let us understand, see, boys, girls. What is the average age of boys given? It is 24 years. Okay, what is the average age of girls given? 18 years. And what is the average age of whole class? Means the mean value is given as 20 years. So 20 comes in the middle. Now difference both sides, difference will be its ratio. So 24 minus 20, if I am not wrong, 4. And 20 minus 18, if I am not wrong, 2. So this is boys and this is girls. So boys is to girls. It is in the ratio of 2 is to 4. That's it. Further, if you cancel this in simplest form, it is 1 is to 2 ratio. So boys and girls are in the ratio of 1 is to 2. Now what they are asking you? They are asking you number of girls. Total how many students? See, girls means this part they are asking you. So girls are 2 part out of total 3 part. So 2 by 3 of total number of students. So 2 by 3 of total students, how many they have given? They have already given that 360 students are there. So 2 by 3 of 360. So 3 ones, 3 120s. So 122s are 240 girls are there in the class. Yes, exactly Kaushik, exactly Chandu. 240. If they are asking you number of boys, boys are 1 part out of total 3 part. Means 1 by 3 of 360 it will come. Then it will come as somewhere around 120 boys are there in the class. But boys they are not asking, they are asking you girls. So answer is 240. Clear? Simple it is. So let's see more question. So here they have given you the option. See the option what they have given: 40, 300, 120, 240. So no doubt we got 240 is the answer. 240, the D option. Is it clear? Yes? Okay. Anyone having any doubt, queries, you can ask me, I can repeat. Okay, so next question. Try this. A merchant sells 1600 horses at an overall profit of 25%. Some of them he sold at 20% profit, whereas remaining at 40% profit. Find the number of horses he sold at 40% profit. Come on, simple it is. How many horses he sold at 40% profit? Chandu, repeat. No, Chandu got the answer, 240. Anyhow, for this, see, very simple. One side he is having, in one section is having 20% profit and another part is having 40% profit. So one side you can write 20% profit, another side is having 40% profit. Okay, and overall he is getting how much percent profit? Overall he is getting 25% profit. So 25% becomes the mean value. So 25 in the middle means पूरा मिला के 25%, तो mean value हो गया 25. Difference both side, difference will be its ratio. So 25 minus 20, if I am not wrong, 5, and 40 minus 25, if I am not wrong, 15. So this is 20% profit and this is 40% profit. So 20% profit is to 40% profit. It is actually in the ratio of 15:5, which you can further cancel and say that it is in the ratio of 3:1. That's it. So now what they are asking you? They are asking you regarding 40% profit. So 40% is how much? One part out of total 4 part. So 1 by 4 of total number of horses. So 1 by 4 of total how many horses are there? 1600 horses. So 4 ones, 4 fours are 16. So 400 horses. 400 is the answer. Kaushik, don't get confused. 40% profit उसने 400 घोड़े बेचे हैं. Sorry. 40% is 400 and remaining 1200 is 20% profit. Whatever you are saying, Kaushik, 1200, that is for 20% profit. But they are not asking you 20% profit. They are asking for 40%. That is 400. Is it clear, Kaushik? Kaushik? Yes, Chandu, 400. Kaushik, is it clear to you? Don't get confused. 20% प्रॉफिट वाला 1200 घोड़े है और 40% प्रॉफिट वाला 400 घोड़े. Yes, yes, exactly. Clear? So more question, let's see. So let's see the option here. Option they are given 400, 300, 1200, 1240. Kaushik, be careful. See, they are giving 1200 also, but answer is no doubt 400. Okay, answer is 400. Okay, so moving to the next question. Now you can do this, so something a little change in the question. So see the next question here. A mixture of 40 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 4:1. In a mixture of 40 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 4:1. How much water must be added to this mixture so that the ratio of milk and water becomes 2:3? और कितना पानी मिलाएंगे इस मिक्सचर में so that the ratio of milk and water becomes 2:3? See, let us understand. See, 40 liters is the total mixture. In this, milk and water are in the ratio of 4:1. Means 4:1 means milk is how many liters in that? How many liters milk will be there? Total 5 parts they are dividing. 40 liters is divided into 5 parts. Okay, so 4 part is the milk. So 40 divided in 5 parts. So 8. 8 4s are 32. So 32 liters will be the milk and remaining will be the water. So water will be how many liters? Obviously the 8 liters will be the water. Now in this type of mixture, if you add water, just try to understand, in this type of mixture, if you add water, what will happen in that mixture? Whatever water entity is there, that will go on increasing. Okay, parallelly mixture will also increase, but milk will remain constant. In the same mixture, if you add milk, what will happen in that mixture? Whatever milk entity is there, that will increase. Parallelly mixture will also increase, but water will remain constant. Are you getting me? इस तरह के मिक्सचर में जब आप पानी मिलाइएगा तो उस मिक्सचर में जो पानी है वो पानी की एंटिटी इंक्रीज होगी, पैरेलली मिक्सचर भी बढ़ेगा, लेकिन मिल्क कांस्टेंट रह जाएगा. और फिर इसी मिक्सचर में अगर ऊपर से हम मिल्क डालते तो उसमें जो मिक्सचर में जो मिल्क की एंटिटी वो बढ़ेगी, पैरेलली मिक्सचर भी बढ़ेगा, लेकिन वाटर विल रिमेन कांस्टेंट, पानी कांस्टेंट रह जाएगा. मतलब कोई भी एक एंटिटी डालिए, उस एंटिटी के साथ साथ मिक्सचर भी बढ़ेगा. Whatever entity you are adding, with that entity the mixture will also increase, mixture quantity will also increase. So just understand here. First I am making equation, then I will tell you the alligation, how to use it. See, first let us understand. Consider I am writing 32 by 40. 32 by 40 means what I am writing? 32 is the milk, 40 is the mixture. Consider I am adding x liter water. So x liter water, so 40 will increase by x. Don't add x in 32 because 32 will remain constant. It will be like that only. So this ratio should be how much? They are saying that milk and water ratio should be 2:3. But here what we have written? We have written milk is to mixture we have written. Am I right? So milk and water. So milk is 2 part and mixture will be 5 parts. So 2 by 5. In this equation you will get the x value. X means the quantity of water to be added. Are you getting me? No. Consider you are writing this as, somewhere you are writing this as, you can say 8 by 40. 8 by 40 means what you are writing? You are writing water by mixture. And you are adding x liter water. So in 8 you have to add x. Parallelly mixture also you have to add x. Both the places. So this should be equal to how much? Water is how much? 3 part. Okay. Out of total mixture. Mixture is 5 parts. So 3 by 5. In this equation also you will get the x value same. X means the quantity of water to be added. No. If you are writing it as somewhere around 32 by 8. 32 by 8 means what you are writing? You are writing milk by water. Am I right? And you are adding some x liter water. So 8 will increase by x. So this should be equal to how much? 2 by 3. In this equation also you will get the x value same. So whatever equation you use, my dear friend, x value you will get the same. X means the quantity of water to be added. Any equation you solve, you will get the same. X value is coming as 40. Very good. Sunny says x value is coming 40. Good. Good. Okay, so x value you will get in all the equation 40. But while writing this equation, be careful, my dear friend, where that x is to be added and what should be the resultant value. Okay, what fraction you are writing, according to that the resultant value you have to mention. This you have to mention, and where x is to be added. You should be very careful. So this was your equation method. No doubt x value 40. Very good, Sunny, you are correct. 40 liters of water to be added. But this is the equation method. But I said you that alligation rule came out from equation method only. So same thing let us understand in alligation rule. Shall we? Same thing let us understand in alligation rule. If you say we can understand the same thing in alligation rule. Okay. So alligation rule, Sunny you want. Okay. So let us understand the same thing in alligation rule. See, one side we are having mixture. Just understand, one side we are having mixture, and what we are adding in that, that is actually we are adding water. Okay, clear? One side mixture is there, whatever we are adding, that is actually the water. Now see, in mixture how much water is there? In mixture how much water is there? 8 liters water is there. Out of 40 liters, 8 liters water is there. Means how much percent water is there? Out of 40, 8 liters is the water. Means how much percent? Percentage also we have completed. Come on, simple it is. 40 में 8 लीटर, 40 लीटर में 8 लीटर पानी है, मतलब कितना परसेंट पानी है? 20%. Am I right? Yes or no? Come on guys. Out of 40 liter, 8 liter is the water. So how much percent it is? Into 100. 5 ones, 520, 20% water is there. Are you getting me? So mixture is having 20% water, and whatever water you are adding, that is completely 100% pure water. Am I right? One side mixture which is having 20% water, another side water which is 100% water. Both you want to mix, and you want to make how much percent water? How much percent water you want to make? See, 3 part out of total 5 part. So 3 by 5 is how much percent? 3 by 5 is how much percent? 5 ones, 5. 5. Yes, very good Chandu, very good. 20% mixture is having water, and water is 100% water. But the mean value where we want water, water is 3 part out of total 5 part. So 3 by 5 is how much percent? 3 by 5 is how much percent? 60%. Yes, very good Sunny, 60%. So mean value should be 60%. Difference both side, difference will be its ratio. Difference both side, difference will be its ratio. So my dear friend, 60 minus 20, how much you'll get? 40, if I am not wrong. And 100 minus 60, how much you'll get? 40. Okay, means mixture and water should be mixed in the ratio of 40:40, which you can further cancel and say 1:1 ratio. 1:1 ratio means as many liters mixture, those many liters water. So we were having 40 liters mixture, so we'll add 40 liters water. If we are having 80 liters mixture, we'll add 80 liters water. So once you get the ratio, based on the ratio, you can say based on mixture how many liters of water to be added. Because it is 1:1 we are getting, so as many liter mixture, those many liters water will add. Is it clear? If we are getting 1:2 as the ratio, then if 40 liters mixture, then we'll add 80 liters water. But we are not getting 1:2. Okay. Once we get the ratio, based on the ratio, we can easily decide, yes, how many liters of water to be added. So no doubt 80 liters of water, 40 liters of water is to be added. This is the answer. Clear? Because 40 liters mixture. Clear? Yes. So anyhow, my dear friends, let me tell you that mixtures and alligation also, we are having the questions on mixtures alligation. As I said you that Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, this time at 12 p.m, that is 12 in the afternoon, you will be getting the premium video. Okay, that is of only the questions, only question, no concepts, nothing, only the question and explanation. So there we'll practice more question. Okay, every day one topic the question will go, that is 11 question at 11 a.m. So we have planned that total, because it is Maha revision, so 2021 question for GATE 2021. Okay, maximum question we have to practice. So that premium class, don't miss that class on YouTube. So 12 p.m. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, all these 3 days, 3 different topics. Okay, so my dear friend, hope you have enjoyed the session, you have understood the concept. And let me tell you, use my code AR10 whenever you are taking subscription on Unacademy. Okay, use this code to get the discount in your subscription fees, and share this code with your friends as well, because this code is valid in all the courses available on Unacademy, so that they can also get the discount, okay, in the subscription fees. So you share the code with your friends even. And let me tell you, if you want to attend my special class, that is special class is also free of cost. Okay, so if you want to attend my special class, okay, in special class we are planning to keep more and more number of questions and the concept, new concepts, whatever new concepts has been included in the exam. So this time IIT Bombay has included few more topics. So all those will cover in the special class, that is also free. If you have to attend the special class, very simple, you just download the Unacademy app, okay, and here in the left hand side you can find my name, that is Amulya Ratan. The complete detail of mine you can get here. So Amulya Ratan, this name you can search in the Unacademy app in GATE and ESE part, you'll get my name. Okay, go through my profile, and in the notification you just on the notification in my profile, so whenever I am having the special class you will get the alerts for that. Are you getting me? Further, my dear friend, whatever YouTube classes I am having, if you want the link for that, my Facebook page is there, Amulya Ratan Apti Unacademy. You can go through that page for my upcoming classes as well as my previous live classes. Even if you are following me on Insta, you can get the link over there. And let me tell you, if you subscribe to this channel, that is LeadGate, if you subscribe to this channel, you can do this Maha revision, technical as well as non-technical live. Okay, so my dear friend, thank you very much. Hope you have enjoyed the session. So keep practicing. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you everyone. Thank you all.